You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. So ignore this nail set because literally it is coming off in this video. But we're going to be talking about the new Melody Susie Atena Cordless nail drill. I was actually in need of a new one, so I was super excited. And I'm unboxing it with you guys. First time using it, first time seeing it. I usually never look at instructions, but when it comes to a nail drill, make sure you look at the instructions and know what all the functions are. It explains what each nail drill bit is used for, which is super important for beginners. So let's look at the nail drill. First of all, y'all, do you see how cute this is? It's rose gold. It comes in 3 different colors, actually silver, white, and rose gold color. And this is a chargeable one. And it's cordless. Obviously, that's what it's called. I was feeling the weight because at first it felt a little bit heavy to me, but I'll explain it more later. And I really like that it has the lock and unlock feature here to actually show you where it unlocks and locks. And you can hear it snap too, which is super helpful. And it comes with the drill bit to protect inside of it. So very sleek and cute. Now, I was trying to figure out, this is when instructions comes in handy, if it was charged or not, or how to put it on. So, rule of thumb, you have to hold it down for 2 seconds. It's not just a quick on and off button. That might have just been me, but just letting you know. And so when it's charged, it does flash either blue or green, which it does here. I thought it needed to charge, but it didn't. And then if it needs to charge, it flashes red. Per usual. So right here it's flashing blue. It does hold a charge, it says, for 1 to 2 hours, and it also takes 1 to 2 hours to charge. And when you first put on the nail drill, it goes automatically to the second bar, which I believe is 20,000 RPMs. The max speed is 28,000 RPMs, which other nail drills are usually, I think, 35 RPMs, so it's a little bit less power but still great. It has the forward and reverse directions feature, so it's perfect for both right-handed or left-handed use. And the plus and minus signs here is, again, to put up the speed or decrease the speed. So again, when you put on the nail drill, it automatically goes to the middle one, which is 20,000 RPMs. And as you can see with this drill, it's low noise and low vibration. And it also comes with its own drill bits in the kit, which is perfect for beginners, and sanding bands, all different types of grit. You'll see me use that in a second. So let's actually take off these nails that I showed you. They were way too thick. It was a polygel set. I literally only had them on for a day and I had to remove them. So I'm using the coarser sanding band. I think it's probably 80 grit. I'm not sure. But I'm comparing this Melody Susie cordless drill to my regular drill from Amazon. And as you can see, the Melody Susie is longer, but definitely thinner and sleeker, and of course no cord. So that's a plus right there. So I was originally using this coarse sanding band and it just wasn't debulking or removing the product like I wanted it to. However, besides the drill bit, I enjoy the feel of this drill. I thought it was going to be heavy at first, but it's actually very, very light towards the end, and I explain that later in the video. It's very easy to hold, although it's a little bit slippery, and again, I explain that later, but needless to say, it's very comfortable in my hand, very easy to use. It had very low heat dissipation, low noise, and low vibration. So I really enjoyed this so far, and as you can see, it removed the product very quickly. So although it only goes up to 28,000 RPMs, it was very effective and very professional. So I actually like this a lot better than my other drill, surprisingly enough. So I'm using one of the drill bits from the kit for my cuticles. I think this is called a ball bit, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me look at the book. Yeah, it's a safety bit for cuticle work polish nail side edge. And again, I put this on the lowest one, which is I think was 15,000 RPMs, and it didn't skip on my nails, it didn't vibrate. It was very smooth, and I definitely can feel a difference between this drill and my other drill. As I mentioned before, the drill is for both right hand and left handed use. When you first turn on the drill, it's automatically in forward. So if you are planning to use it in your left hand or to go reverse, when you first put the drill on, be sure to put it to reverse and press the button. That is what I realized. My other drill, it does kind of show you if you're in reverse or not, but I guess you could end up just feeling it, but that's something to note. So I finally got a new set on, and I really wanted to use this drill bit in all stages of my nail set. So I'm using a ceramic safety bit. I think this is in medium coarse, and I knew I really liked this product again here when it was cleaning up and debulking effortlessly. It wasn't skipping, it wasn't vibrating my nail, it wasn't creating any heat, because usually ceramic drill bits, you could feel the heat a little bit, and I didn't feel it at all. So I actually really enjoyed this a lot. I wasn't expecting it, especially for low RPMs, but I did like it. Okay, so now that I've completed a set using my new drill, which is now dusty, I have to say I really enjoy it. It's definitely, I thought at first it was heavy, but when you are using it and kind of getting in the groove of it, you kind of see how light it is. I think the back end of it is heavy, like just like back here. But when you're using it up here, that's when it feels a lot lighter, which I can appreciate. I do wish it came with a little handle for your fingers because it can slip. It's kind of slippery. So that's my only thing that I would say. I do love that there's no cord. It's nothing in my way when I'm trying to do my nails. These are very easy to follow as well. I don't know, it's just very cute and sleek. I have no complaints. Like, I kind of said my thoughts throughout the video. So just take that as for what it is. I actually really enjoyed it. So definitely check out the description bar. If I have a coupon code, I will put it down there. But even if I don't, then still, I mean, check it out. I actually enjoyed this. So thank you again for Melodysusie for sending me this new drill and drill bits. Definitely gonna be the one I'm using. So if you see this in videos, then you're gonna know what it is. Melodysusie. All right, guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.